Hey ChatGPT, I have heard some people saying that dreams can predict the future. Is it true? Why do we dream? Is it a random or does it mean something in our real life?
The idea that dreams can predict the future is a fascinating topic and has been a part of various cultures and beliefs throughout history. However, from a scientific perspective, there isn't solid evidence that dreams can predict future events. Dreams are more likely a reflection of our subconscious mind processing information, emotions, and experiences. We dream as part of the brain's activity during the sleep cycle, particularly during REM, rapid eye movement sleep. This is when the brain is highly active, almost as active as when we're awake. There are several theories about why we dream. 1. Emotional processing. Dreams might help us process and cope with emotions and experiences. 2. Memory consolidation. They might play a role in consolidating memories and learning. 3. Problem solving. Some believe dreams help us solve problems and come